let's let the viewers in on what we were talking about. Dindy Santiago went through a series of different serves, throughout the season. The jump serve, and then she finally settled with yung serve from the back.
Yes. Nakita niyo naman yung power. Tawag namin siya kargado because yung bola suddenly babaksak yan sa floater. Pero yung kay Dindin pa nga, mabigat yung bola niya. So it's making really the other team sweat it out in getting those receptions.
Tight set number 3 here with Adamson leading only by 2. Pablo. Single block.
No, that did go over. Yep. Good call.
4 touches on NU. And ito, mostly error na naman, From the Dindy Santiago serve to the Pablo hit at the net. Errors hurting National University.
Right.
Pablo. Nice cut.
Oh, yeah. Hot shot, but a better reception on the other side.
Pablo on the other side this time picks up her own shot after the block. Ooh, and that's not even close.
Well, from the approach alone, makikita mo she wasn't ready. She still tried to go for it.
And Coach Meneses wants to cure things before it gets out of hand. Let's listen in.
Abay, alanganin na nga yung bola, hatawin nyo pa ng gusto Gawan nyo ng paraan. Gawan nyo ng paraan. Meron tayo tinatawag na drop ball sa volleyball. That's part of spike also. Drop ball. Naintindihan? Alanganin ang bigay. Anong gagawin? Hatawin nyo pa rin. Buti ko sana marunong kayo mag-spin ng kamay. Receive tayo, receive. National.
Coach Vicente pointing it out to Myla Pablo na there are other ways to hit the ball. Hindi kailangan hataw palagi. Because
at
the last
malaki ka, ang dami mo talagang pwedeng gawin. Especially against a not-so-tall team. So you gotta use your head too.
One-handed set by Salibad. Cortel. Back row, Santiago gets the help from the net. Free ball for NU. Pablo. And again, Pablo.
Not enough spin on that combination play. Pablo sends it long. Sayang, ang ganda Ang ganda ng reception, ang ganda ng set, ang ganda ng pagkapasok ng play, ang nahuli lang.
Even the fake was very nicely executed. Urdas this time. Cortel. Pablo. And she gets it.
This time going down the line.
Pablo has been on and off, especially in this set. That's really hurting NU right now in set number 3. Let's listen in to Judy Sarel.
Erkin, mostly problema sa blocking at maraming errors ang dahilan ni Coach Francis kaya nahihirapan ng Liliburdog. Di niya humahabol sila pero binibitawan agad dahil sa pwede namang iwasang mga errors. Errors sa service ang binanggit ni Coach. Sabi niya, huwag dapat patayin ang laro sa unang tagpo pa lang. Dagdag niya, dumipensa dapat sila sa likod at gandahan ng timing ng palo. Panghuli, sabi ni Coach, wala akong pakialam kung umabot pa tayo ng 5 set basta kailangan manalo tayo. Pero magagalit naman din ako sa inyo pag pinaabot nyo pa doon. Eric?
Alright, thank you, Judy. Well, Coach, I'm sorry, it's sports director ng NU, si Coach Janelle Baculi, really livid behind us because of an error on the part of Pablo. Pumasok yung libero, hindi lumabas si Pablo, and then there were 7 players on the floor.
It's really about the focus once again. Are you in this game? This is a really important game. Errors like those shouldn't be happening.
That was a free point para sa Adamson. And right now, ito, lumaki na yung kalamangan ng Adamson, pero Nepomuceno with a nice hit.
That's right, Nepomuceno. That is the hit that you want. You are a tall player. Hindi naman kailangan talagang parang i-boost mo yung swing sa arm na gagaling. Yung pitik lang, just the snapping of the wrist, will do you good, really good.
Error para kay Guevara. The set was nice from Makatuno, pero Guevara coming in a little too late.
Urdas now on the line for the Lady Bulldogs.
Off speed from Pineda. Oh, Nepomuceno delivering the points NU needs right now, Mozy.
That's right, and this is what you like. Kung yung iba hindi na kumikilos, somebody has to step up. Remember, once again, I will always say it, ang daming pwedeng mag-score sa NU. Talaga namang napakadami.
Here comes Nepomuceno again. The tip this time, saved by Guevara. Makatuno to Pineda.
Oh.
And Pineda is long.
Pineda with yun snapping of the wrist. This time si Pineda naman ang nawala. That's why she sends it very long.
Now NU on the comeback trail. 11 serving 14. Pineda.
Oh, and Pineda using the blockers. I really think it's a touch. Good call.
Sigh of relief from Pineda.
Nakakapagod rin because she really gets most of the sets, and sometimes you don't really kill it on the first try. So yung pagod nagsiset in rin dito kay Pineda. That's why kailangan muna I think i-distribute yung mga sets just like that. Pau asking for a second chance.
Nepomuceno blocked this time. She will try again. Pineda.
Oh, and that is wide for Pineda. Ngayon nakikita mo yung power medyo nawawala dun sa mga hits ni Pineda. I think napapagod na rin siya in 3 yardas in the third set. So, kailangan rin smart to si Makatuno in distributing the ball.
NU, dumidikit na naman, Mozy. 12-15.
Oh, and Pau Soriano this time with a big quick.
And when you really need something, you go to Pau Soriano. 16-12. Adamson still up by 4 over NU in set number 3.